Hello, I'm Ben and I'm responsible for Havwoods International Development. I look after the Havwoods clients across the world, from the heat of the Middle East to the cold of the Scandinavian winter, and we have to meet the challenges presented in the modern world to give our customers assurance and satisfaction. The Havwoods products are developed to meet the changing fashions and requirements across the world. Our development is never static and is always innovative, bringing forward new and fresh products to meet the requirements of our clients. What our clients are looking for is consistency in product quality, delivery and after-sales care. To me, Havwoods is a fun place to work at with a very professional ethos. The team here have the strength and knowledge to overcome adversities and provide solutions for the customers.